It's the end of the day, and the two kitties are getting ready to go to sleep. Leonardo, the dark one, has licked Ferdinand's head and gotten him all nice and clean, given him a bath, and Ferdinand is already asleep. Oh, a big old yawn. Finish your bath. Yes, indeed. Wash your paws. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams, Leonardo. So Leonardo's going to finish giving Ferdinand a bath. So sweet. He loves his friend. That did not look like a good night kiss. It is hard to wash your whole head with just a paw. But Leonardo is managing. You're going to be so clean for bedtime. You are really doing a good job, Leonardo. You're just going to be the cleanest kitty around. This is so sweet because Ferdinand has had a hard day. There is a white cat in the neighborhood that keeps trying to beat him up, and it is not a nice thing. I had to spray the white cat with the hose today to make him go away and leave Ferdinand alone, because Ferdinand is sweet and kind. So it is just lovely that Leonardo is giving him a bath and letting him know how loved he is. I can just hear him saying, "I love you." I'll take care of you. Even though Leonardo's the youngest, I'll take care of my friend Ferdinand. And I'll take care of me too. That is going to be one very clean ear. These are going to be the cleanest two kitties ever. Well, this is a standoff. Good night, guys. Is that a good night hug? Must be. One good turn deserves another. I love you. Thank you. The end. Good night. Sweet dreams. See you in the morning. Sweet dreams.